This is a part of Ultimate Acrylic Painting Course. This painting is one of the 10 paintings, but there are lots of things to learn. The sky, the cloud, windmill, one point perspective, the foreground, all of this. If you follow along, you should be able to paint the same painting. If you're interested in joining that course or check out the entire details, and the link is in the description below. Let's get back to the painting. Every medium needs its own planning. If you ever wanted to embark on a new medium such as acrylic, I have a course for specifically made for beginners. It covers all the basic things: brush strokes, practice sessions, composition, color theory. Then I also have 6 or 12 projects which are attached with that entire course. So if you really want to learn acrylic painting from the basics, which includes all of this, please check the link in the description below and enroll yourself.